Hey, welcome back, YouTube. Today, I'm lost in the forest. Dad, Mom, baby brother, sister. Oh, why is it so blurry? Yeah. Oh, there's someone back there. Welcome back, YouTube. So, right now, we're just gonna walk. Okay. Es otro armadillo. Yeah, we saw more. We saw armadillos. Let's go. I have my Crocs on. Why would anyone wear Crocs? So let me just speed this up while I'm walking.
Ándale, porque se va a hacer oscuro, papá. Va a ser oscuro y ya no vas a mirar.
I was dead. Look how cute all this stuff looks. And I'll put the armadillo things in the video. So yeah, like we saw two. I think it was three that we saw because there was like one. There was one in grass, but we thought it was a snake. So yeah. Is it the right there? Actually, oh, wait, look how pretty. Okay, when I get home, yeah, but first. Bro, But why's my camera so freaking foggy, yo? Alright, I'll show the rest when I get to meet casa. So there's like a bunch of these like benches here, and look, this was so sad. It says son, brother, husband, father, grandfather, friend. The world was his office. Driving gave him peace, and family gave him life. Laughing, sports, politics, sunshines, and GTs. Oh, a life taken too soon. May all that rest here feel peace and the warmth of the sunshine on their face. Aw, get sad. What's up, you?
Guys, the next clip is showing the armadillo.
Un armadillo. Oh. So, it's not very hard. I was running because we have like 10 minutes left until we get back to the car. And I want to go home because I've been here since 3. It's not like 5. So, yeah. Look. Ok, mañana. Mañana aquí. Yeah. Todavía no llegamos al parking lot.
¿Dónde dice ahí?
Acá. Mira qué bonito. Come here. See cheese. Oh yeah. Hey, we out. Now we're gonna hit the car. Oh, it's right there. I think. I don't know. Okay, YouTube. I'm now headed back home. And that's it for my YouTube. Okay, bye.
Say okay, bye. Okay, bye.